In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. This process will allow you to harness the power of AI-driven insights directly within your spreadsheets, streamlining your data analysis and making your workflows more dynamic and intelligent. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. First, open up your Google Sheets. You'll want to navigate to the top menu and select Extensions. This is where you can manage add-ons that enhance the functionality of your sheets. Hover over add-ons and you'll see the option for Get Add-ons. Click on that to bring up a marketplace of various tools that can be integrated with Google Sheets. In the search bar of the marketplace, type in GPT for Sheets and Docs. This is the add-on we'll be using to connect to ChatGPT. Once you've located it, click on the result labeled GPT for Sheets TM and Docs TM. You'll be taken to a page with more details about the add-on. From here, continue by clicking on Install. Follow any prompts to agree to permissions and complete the installation. Once done, hit Continue to finalize the setup within your sheet. Next, we're going to get our API key from OpenAI, which is essential for the add-on to communicate with ChatGPT. Head over to the platform's website, specifically to the API settings. If you don't have an API key yet, you'll need to create one. Click on API keys and then create new secret key. You might see an option to name the key, which is entirely optional, but could be helpful for organization, especially if you plan on using multiple keys down the line, so feel free to name it if you wish. Then click Create Secret Key and ensure you copy it using the copy button. This is a crucial step because you'll need to paste this key elsewhere. Now let's head back to Google Sheets. Return to Extensions at the top and click on Open under the GPT for Sheets add-on. Once the add-on interface opens, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines at the upper left, which typically indicates a menu. Click it, then select API keys. Here you will choose Platform OpenAI and paste the secret key you just copied into this window. Be sure to click Save to store these settings. To test this integration, simply go to a cell in your spreadsheet and type in the formula GPT, anything, where anything is your prompt for ChatGPT. Hit enter and the magic will happen right within your sheet as the add-on fetches and displays a response from the AI. And there you have it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT with Google Sheets, opening up a world of possibilities for your data processing and analysis needs. With this integration, you are well on your way to making your spreadsheets a hub of powerful AI-driven insights. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you'll create with this new tool at your disposal. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.